Hi guys, for this video guys, ang kakain ko ngayon guys, corn beef guys. Corn beef na may halong itlog guys. Okay guys, sarap to guys. Tikman natin. Tara guys ha. Parang ano to guys, parang pasayan na may halong itlog oh. Pero ano yan guys, corn beef yan na may halong itlog guys. Okay guys, ito guys oh. Oh, diba guys? Oh, sarap to guys. Oh, parang ano guys, parang pizza. Oh, corn beef na may halong itlog. Tikman natin guys. Sarap guys. Sarap. Po guys. Okay guys.